Prawns in green tea sauce. A appetizer from Seychelles. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Put the green tea in a cup and add the boiling water. Set for 15 minutes. Step 2. Heat the oil in a frying pan hot, add the prawns, curry and sake and cook for 1 minute over high heat, stirring constantly. Step 3. Add the tea and half of the tea leaves and cook for 1 minute. Step 4. With a skimmer, remove the prawns from the sauce and put on a warm plate. Step 5. Pour small amounts of the sauce over prawns and serve with rice or noodles. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.